Anticipatory legal arguments have been concluded, and now the matter is fixed on 20th for orders on anticipatory.
So what was the main contention?
Main contention, their contention was that the NOC of the health department has been forged to obtain excise license. So our main contention was that NOC by itself is not a valuable security, and 467 is the only offence which is non-bailable. All other offences which they have invoked are bailable, so it is not a valuable security. We also demonstrated that from their own charge sheet that none of the partners of LLP ever came in possession of this NOC. So unless you come in possession of the NOC, there is no question of forging it, and you have to show that somebody has forged it. The maker only can be called up in criminal proceedings. So on these both counts, we have said that it is not a valuable security. We will not establish that any of the partners were the makers of this document. That is what we have argued. The rest are all bailable offences. That has also been fixed for arguments on 20th. They are supposed to give us the reply on 18th, and the APP sought time to argue on 24th.